guys, so just a Morgan Wagga picking up Reggie's new to him street glide. Beautiful. Glad you guys see this bike. Absolutely gorgeous. CVO 2016 street glide. Atomic red, candy flames, gorgeous. Alright, let's have a look. Yeah, Dave. What's your name, mate?
Shane, resident little desk gremlin.
We're going to give a shout out to Big Chief Customs. He's going to show you the helmet that he just got done for him. Shane, let's see your helmet, mate.
Let's have a look, eh?
Yeah.
Honestly, can't be more thankful than...
Bro, look at that. That is absolutely cracking, that, eh?
Yeah.
Even down to the metallic in there and everything, bro. It looks sick.
You get outside, it really, honestly, it really pops once you get outside in the sun. It looks incredible. Bro. It's awesome. Honestly, I couldn't be more stoked.
Bro, look at that. That is crazy.
Yeah. Now I'm just going to get the bike to match, you know?
Well, you know.
Maybe one day.
Yeah, no, you know how to...
We know someone.
That's for you, Jace. Yeah, nice, bro. Awesome,
thank you, man. Thank you. I'm honestly so stoked. Can't be more grateful. Honestly, so thankful.
So, how come we have to come down to see you here, Shane?
Honestly, just for the keep me company, you know. I was on board. Keep me company. Come and see me. Yeah, keep me busy, you know.
You're going to see all the parts guys down. These guys. Yes.
I'm not going to copy Brad. You know. You and your camera. Yeah. I bought one of those from Harley. So it's just grabbing a cool. Yeah,
get one of these for Reggie for his new bike. I'll get one of these too soon.
Oh, okay.
Well, he's already got one, so I don't have to buy one now. But anyway, the thought was there.
No, we're not going to have accessories. No, you got two.
Hey, how come I don't get a free jumper, Sam?
I don't know why. I don't know why, mate.
I spent thousands in your shop, man. I spent thousands in
your shop. Even one without the hood.
Without the hood? Actually, what have we got?
Have you got a hood, Reg?
Huh? I've got a hood, mate. It's in the hood.
What are we doing here, mate?
Just shopping, mate. Like, you know, just,
we'll talk soon. We'll talk soon,
yeah.
Yeah, good fella. Where's your beard at, man? Would you shave it off?
Yeah, I've got bored.
Yeah,
Yeah, it'll be back in a week.
You look completely different, bro.
I think when I came back in, Pugs is like,
You're going to call it.
yeah, you've got a board.
And all looking like that, bro. All fresh and that.
Yeah, shout out Live to Ride.
Yeah. Shout out Live to Ride. Where is Pugs?
He's at home on an RDO working on Live to Ride right now.
Oh, yeah? That's sick. That's so clean, eh? Awesome. Are you going to be on my channel, Tony?
Yeah, 100%. What's happening, baby?
Yeah, no, we go for a burn and fucking everything, bro.
We're down here, Morgan Wagga. Reggie's just picking up his new street glide.
Yeah, bro.
You know, he's over there. Look, he's over there trying on all the shit.
Yeah, bro. He's having all the shit. Yeah, bro. Hey. Very loud grouse. See Tiny on the channel soon, boys.
Quite a rare thing. I can't say I've seen one in here before.
Yeah. So, I just buying a jumper though. Just getting a jumper.
What he does to you?
Yeah, he does, mate. But you know, like he's waiting for me dad.
Hey, man, he's just as bad as I am, bro.
Is he?
So on the way down here, my lowrider decided to throw an engine light. Fuck knows why, but yeah, having the boys check it out down the workshop now. You got Tiny and Gary and everyone down there. Good blokes down there, all the workshop. Hey, big boy on the street. Look at this.
What's up, guys? Well, we're looking at the new V-rods. Fitted with a 114 engine in this one. This is about 116 horsepower.
Nice. How much you riding this one to Queensland, bro?
Oh, fuck, man. We'll get me there in one go, eh?
Yeah, bro. 100%, bro. Like this. Oh, very good. That's cool. Is that your car that you're going to get? Mad. Awesome. Look at the car.
Yeah.
Nice.
What bike's yours? Which one do you want?
I'll go buy.
I love that colour, bro. That's mad. Really want to ride one of these FXDRs, eh? Right, it's sexy as looking bikes. But in the next episode, I'm going down to Harley Heaven to catch up with Mick out there. Gun salesman out there, top bloke too. Shout out to you, Mick. And we're going to go for a run on the Fat Boy. Beautiful. There you go, Reggie.
That's the style of the heated grips, but I'm not too sure what they are, because those are the ones that usually have the dial.
You don't really need it anyway, like.
Yeah. Are you sure? That's the style of the heated grips, right? It usually has the dial there.
Hey, you got to show the Goldie. There you go, there's the Goldie.
We just go tank.
There's the Goldie. What's your name, bro?
Chaz. I'm the DP here at Morgan Wagga.
Yeah, so that's the new DP of Morgan Wagga.
Yes.
Come and say hello.
Hello.
Hello,
There you go.
Very good. Are we happy?
Yeah, I'm quite happy.
Yeah.
Hey, fucking funny thing, mate. So, just before we get on to the new purchase, everyone knows that I drive overnight express for a job, right? Overnight express transport. And where I park, where I go, not going to say the town, but park in this fucking big parking area. And I don't know, mate, a lot of weird cunts hanging around up there. Fucking seriously, mate. Well, the other day, I'm laying in bed, I hear this knock. I think they got me confused. I think they think I work for the Coast Guard. And fucking, I'm laying in bed, this bloke knocks on the door, he goes, "Is the coast clear?" I said, "Fuck off!" 10 minutes later, another knock on the door. Another bloke, "Is the coast clear?" I said, "Fuck off!" He scampers off. This goes on and on and on. Half an hour after that, another fellow knocks on the door and he goes, "Is the coast clear?" I said, "Fuck off! For fuck's sake, just fuck off!" So he fucking scampers off. Go out to sleep, I don't know, half an hour, maybe an hour later, and fucking another knock on the door. "Is the coast clear?" I said, "Oh, fuck me. That was a big mistake." I'm still paying for it.
Hey, I reckon I know what that cunt's name is.
Yeah, what's his name?
Well, I'm not going to say it on
Oh,
camera.
who's say his name? Who?
Martin.
Could be. Oh, after yesterday, I was going on about fucking he's standing up there the other day and some bloke pulls up, comes over to him and says, "G'day mate, how you going?" This fella goes, "I'm going good, thanks." He just fucking, then he goes, "You reach over and grab me on the cock." I said, "Fuck off." "What'd you do?" He goes, "Oh, I stood there. He goes, I was going to headbutt him." I said, "How long did you stand there for?" He goes, "I didn't know what to do." I said, "Mate, the minute his hand had to come towards it, I would have fucking flogged him." Like, you know, flogged, not fucking flogged. Fucking,
Yeah,
I think he might have been sussing me out.
I think so.
Oh.
Look out. No, and special gold tooth in there, mate.
That's what it is.
Yeah, it's a Goldie, mate.
Keep the Harley-Davidson shirt on.
You know what? He's we got one of their customers.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 100%.
Very good. So what do we think, Reg?
So, everyone kept on saying, nothing better than owning a Harley. There's only one thing better than owning a Harley. That's only 2 Harleys.
It's such a gorgeous looking example, bro.
Ultra rare.
It's got,
Apparently,
how many cases it got on?
7,000
Yeah,
for a
bro.
10-year-old bike.
Yeah, man, that's cracker.
Yeah. And it's got flames, mate, so it must go fast.
Flames, but look at that candy flames, man.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
seriously, bro, that is mad, bro.
Yeah, no, it's.
I mean, even you got like the fleck and the fucking paint there and everything.
Yeah.
Gorgeous, man.
And I've done a lot of searching over the last couple of weeks, and even little things like even this colour-coded vent,
Yeah.
is fucking, it's all extra.
It's got the clockworks on there too, Reg. That's mad.
What's it got?
The clockworks.
Oh, clockworks.
Yeah,
I thought you said
yeah.
something else, mate.
No.
I was going to say, if I can stop asking personal questions, and for your information, yes, it does work.
Yeah, I've seen it anyway.
Yeah, well,
Remember that shout out I gave you? You should be doing this trip with us.
yeah, you did, mate. Yeah.
And now you can.
Oh, that means putting kilometres on the bike.
That's all right. Yeah.
So
Gorgeous,
it's a 10-year-old bike. It's got 7,000 k's on it. So if I keep it for 10 years, in 10 years' time, it should only have 14,000 k's on it, right?
Yeah.
Now you buy them to ride them.
Yeah. It's gorgeous, bro. So we're just going to ride home. You need some sleep.
Yeah, mate, I've got to get to sleep because I've got a overnight express tonight.
I've got local express.
He's a powder puff, mate.
No, just around town, clown.
I'm in for a long haul.
Me too. No. Anyway, Reggie, I'm glad you like your new purchase, bro. That's gorgeous, mate.
Thank you, mate.
Beautiful. Stoked for Reggie. Happy as. Beautiful. He loves it. And if this is your first time at Harley Diaries, welcome to the channel. Like, subscribe, comment below. See you on the next one.